Hello ladies and gentlemen and welcome to a very rainy episode of DBK, ain't it Maarten?
It is a rainy episode, but it is a happy episode.
Oh my god, I've been waiting for this moment, like actually for years. Years.
Yeah.
And the moment is that we're gonna unbox a,
You
what
might
is it,
see here.
$3,000 Rockstead folding knives, the most expensive folders in the world.
Not only that, also a €1,600 Rockstead.
Yeah.
So it's around, it's like 4,000, no, it's like 5,000.
It's almost $5,000 worth of Rocksteads, and we want to thank Lamnia because they sold them to us for a good price.
Yeah, so
and that's why we could buy them. Otherwise, we couldn't afford them.
Yeah.
So we just go ahead and unbox our dream knives, our new everyday carries, because we're gonna actually use them.
Yeah, we wanted to have. I mean, the first Rockstead we had was a fixed blade. And that was a dream come true. But Mikkie, this one, your father-in-law, he EDC's a bloody Rockstead.
Oh, and finally I'm gonna have a more expensive and better Rockstead than he has. Oh my god, so this is the package that it comes in.
We are literally sitting in the rain.
Yeah, we're sitting in the rain, ladies and gentlemen, because we have to film it and it is raining and there is no other moment of this weekend or this day that we can do this in. Maarten, are you ready?
Oh, look at that presentation.
And it is small and cutie.
I was wondering why your box is bigger than mine, but look at that presentation. Holy
Look
shit.
at how small this thing is, man.
And you wanted it small.
Don't you dare open it for the first time.
Mikkie, you wanted it small.
Because I want it to look like my pee-pee. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Wait.
I don't think it's one. Oh my God.
Oh my god, that looks like perfection.
that
looks like perfection,
That
Maarten.
is jewelry. That is bloody jewelry, Mikkie.
Oh my god, this is so beautiful.
Can I see it?
Yeah, you can see it. And it comes with a little sheath as well.
Holy shit.
Yeah, and
It's light?
I know. These knives are massively overpriced.
Yeah.
Massively overpriced. I know that. I'm aware of that.
But they are perfection. When it comes to finish, mirror polish,
Yeah.
it's like, Mikkie, is a golden ring? Yeah, okay, it has materials worth of it. But like if you buy a sick ring, a sick piece of jewelry, you pay for the craftsmanship, not for the actual materials.
No, because if you give back the materials, if you sell back those materials, your ring is probably 1/10 of the price.
Exactly. So
my
it's
God,
like
Maarten.
this is the jewelry under the knife. The knives, yeah.
I mean, oh my god, the most overpriced knife in the whole world, I think. But man, is this beautiful, isn't it?
Well, Mikkie, let's get to the point and say like, is the knife like this worth it? I think it really depends, because for us, a knife channel has so many knives and there is not much like very special anymore in our eyes, because we have everything.
Yeah.
So this is worth it.
Hey, look, you know, to be honest, I was skeptical about this deal, I still am, because we have like the big Rockstead, and we just made a tiny feather stick and it chipped.
Yeah.
It chipped the bloody knife. But I know from my father-in-law, he carries that knife every day.
Yeah.
For the past, like, what is it, 7 years?
Yeah.
The thing is still bloody sharp.
Yeah.
The bloody thing is still sharp.
And that's, Mikkie, that's also what we confirmed when we did the rope testing. We have not had a single knife that performed as well on rope cutting as that fixed blade.
No.
So now it's time for the mine.
Oh, for the mine.
For the mine.
Which one did you buy, actually?
I got the Higo.
Everything is so wet.
I got the Higo. The Higo X, the wood, with the wood. So I'm really hoping that mine has like a nice wood pattern on it.
Yeah, wait. This is a good moment for our sponsor.
Ooh,
DBK. Maarten, I want to put this down on the table, but I have nothing to do so. Am I just gonna lay it down like this?
Of course not. Look
no.
at this.
Oh
Little
my
DBK knife
god.
stand.
It's a DBK knife stand available at the dbkshop.com. You can buy also a bigger knife stand for something like maybe a new modern Bowie that Maarten is carrying.
Look. Boom.
Isn't that beautiful?
So it's new in the DBK shop, and check it out. You support us directly and put it in your knife display. It's nice.
Let's look at yours.
Oh my god.
Which one did you buy again?
The Higo X with the wood.
I love it.
And I'm hoping for a very nice wood pattern. Here we go, Mikkie. Oh!
That one is much bigger.
It is much bigger and cheaper.
So what am I paying for then?
It's the same steel.
It's the same steel.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, look at that!
It's
Look at
so
that wood.
Beautiful. It's so beautiful.
Look at that bloody wood.
Oh no. Should I have gone for bigger? Is my
No,
question.
I think because you really enjoy like small stuff, you really are good handling the small stuff.
Yeah, I am actually, you know, I love handling, I love sucking small stuff. What?
You're all about small stuff.
Yeah. But that's because you're my friend.
So I think you're really gonna enjoy that one. Okay,
Yeah.
click. Oh my God, she
it looks
is
great. Is it a she? Is it officially a she?
I don't know, because pretty objects are mostly she, isn't it?
Mine is a definite he, and that's why I'm attracted to it so much.
This is the Higo X 1877 in ZDP 189, HRC 66.9. That's a hard boy.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Well, oh no.
What?
Mine's 66.8.
Oh.
Do you know any other knife brand that makes a mirror polish this
No.
beautiful?
This has some characteristics
Yeah.
that we just really love. It has a convex.
Yeah.
Like that is for us.
Yeah, that's
like
amazing.
the best grind there is.
Yeah.
It has a mirror polish. We used to, with our old knives, we usually, when we still had time to do it, we would give our knives mirror polishes on the edge and then exactly as this is, like keep this set in and mirror polish the edge.
And why would we do that? Because
That's
we
a-
knew what Rocksteads look like and we wanted
Yeah.
to make our knives look like that.
Mikkie, desert ironwood, it was, in my opinion, the most beautiful wood that you could put on a knife. My first Bark River had desert ironwood that I bought myself. This one has it.
Yeah, I know, it's crazy.
It's
isn't
just
it?
a little bit, why we don't put it in a lot of fixed blade anymore is because the desert ironwood it can be brittle. If it falls, it just cracks.
Yeah,
But in a folding knife,
it's beautiful.
not?
I think desert ironwood is one of the most beautiful knives. But I have to be honest, I don't know how beautiful I think this handle is. The Ebonite, Martin. What do you think of it? I don't know. I don't know. Should I have gone
special.
for black?
no, because the black one had like these small
Glitters.
sparkles, and that feels like really cheap 90s plastic to me, like the old cell phones were made of, you know, like the massive heavy
Yeah,
plastic.
yeah.
I don't know. I think
Still.
it's kind of this could go for a special kind of wood.
Okay, we've teleported to one day later because it's not raining now. It's the situations are a little bit lighter, and I asked my girlfriend and she really liked this knife. And I have to say, I really love the knife. Yeah, I'm really enthusiastic about it. How sharp are they out of the box, Marty boy?
Yeah, I mean, all knives nowadays come crazy sharp somehow, so it's gotta prove itself, I think. Oh my God! Oh my God, Rockstead!
That is extremely worrisome.
Rockstead, what did you do? Yeah, but Mikkie, your knife is so
no.
thin. What?
There's something else extremely worrisome.
What?
Zie, look. Godverdomme. Het
Wat?
is echt weer zo kut van Rockstead. See, this is why you do never pay more than 2,000 euros for a knife like this. This is so thin. Look at this. This is plastic. Plastic. This is plastic. I turned it a little like this.
Yeah.
And it cost a microchip.
Oh no.
It cost a microchip, Marty boy. Look at that. Can you see that?
Wait.
So this might be the first time in the existence of this channel that I appear on camera feeling this way. But I feel like genuinely very unhappy and very disappointed and sad. Because we spent our hard-earned money that we get also because of our viewers on this knife, because we thought we'd make a nice review. And yeah, of course we knew that these knives are very overpriced, but it's a prestige item, and we thought, okay, cool, but if it's good, you know? And then I don't care about that money. But it's bad. And I feel really terrible about it. I feel terrible about it because I know that my big Rockstead had chips in the tip because of feather sticks. This one now has chips or a chip on the exact same spot because of plastic. It is terrible. I want these knives to be legendary and I don't want to destroy a company, but the way it looks right now, if you do normal tasks with this knife, it will damage and you cannot sharpen it yourself. So I feel really sad about that. I feel really sad about it because more than anybody watching, I know for sure I want to like these knives more than anybody. So I don't know what to do with that information. I don't know if this is gonna make it into the video, but this is the way I'm feeling right now, and I feel really bad about it. Yeah. So Negative Nancy, again, Mikkie, signing off.
This was spoken from the heart, Mikkie.
Yeah. Yeah, this felt real bad. Felt like the only thing we could do now is send the knife back to Japan, but I couldn't bear this thought, and Maarten and I agreed that I had to sharpen it myself and give it a shot. So again, one day later, ill and nervous, I started sharpening. So I'm actually doing this. Here we go. On a diamond stone, 800 grit. Oh, that feels bad. About 15 minutes on the 800 stone. Yeah. It's out. 15 minutes. I thought this would take hours. The last stone, Snow White. 8,000 grit. Okay. Okay, so this is the first try. Pretty good. But a few scratches. I would say 95% of what it was. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the result. Now we need to make a dedicated episode about these knives to see if they are sturdier than before. Now back to yesterday.
Hey, we're in my happy vibe now. We're in my happy vibe now.
Oh yeah, that was it.
Paper. I gotta say, there is nothing in this world that cuts as smooth as a Rockstead. There is just simply no comparison. We are really good at sharpening. I cannot create this level of smoothness in sharpening a knife.
No. And I also cannot create that level of brittleness in a knife.
Oh yeah, Mikkie, the feather sticking. That's like a 9.5 or 9 out of 10.
Now back to one day earlier again. But first, we have one of the biggest giveaways we've ever done.
We are giving away a bloody Valknieven Modern Bowie, thanks to DBK.
Oh my god!
A Valknieven R2, thanks to DBK. A Half-Breed Blades LBK Generation 2 in K340, thanks to Half-Breed Blades. A top Bushcraft 3.5, thanks to Blade HQ. 2 times a Midgard's EDC Kukri, thanks to Tools for Gents. 2 times a Peltonen Ranger Cup, thanks to Peltonen. 2 times a Whip Armor Expandable, thanks to Whip Armor. A Massive Fiber Raccoon and an EDC Little 100, thanks to Massive Fiber.
And the Lions 2 M4 Magna Cut, thanks to Knives and Tools.
That is like a whole knife collection that we're giving away.
Ladies and gentlemen, Rockstead out.
You're a rock star. Rockstead.
Stay Rockstead. Please like and subscribe to this channel if you like it, only if you like it, and check us out every Thursday 1 p.m. PDT. Maarten.
Oh, and check out the stands in the webshop.
Maarten, what are we doing?
We did
got a Rockstead.
We did it. I mean, for us, this is like a celebration. These videos are the celebration of the channel. You know, we do this every week for years. Yeah, we cover a lot of knives. These are like the cherries on top of the ice cream or cake, whatever you want to put the cherries on. But these are the cherries on top of the whatever of the knife collection. And is it worth it? Yes, because it makes us happy.
And hopefully
it
made you happy as well, knowing
that we are happy.
knowing we are happy. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.